No welding LED aluminum profile light. Just plug in the connector to profile light, then the LED will works. No welding or gluing required. Insert the random cut LED strip. Profile light also can be random cut. The light is even and there are no dark areas. We can change the direction of light by changing the lampshade install direction. Grooving depth and width 10 mm. After installing fixing buckle on profile, insert it into the slot to finish the installation. Then let us try to dim it by touch sensor. Short touch on, off, long touch dim brightness. And we can switch light by hand sweep sensor. Door sensor and body aisle sensor also works. Let's see the lighting after all finished. Kindly contact us if you are interested.